In Cacoo, you can add a URL link to a shape by selecting the shape, clicking the link icon in the editor menu, and entering the URL of the document or website you want to link. Then click Apply. You can check the hyperlink you've added by clicking the small link icon that appears in the bottom right corner of the shape. You can also link to another sheet by hovering the mouse over your target sheet, clicking the three dots, selecting Share from the drop-down menu, and choosing Diagram Link. You can then paste this URL and click Apply. Another option is to click the link icon, navigate to the Sheet tab, and choose the target sheet from the drop-down menu. Then click Apply. If you need to add a link to another object, select the object, click on the three dots in the menu, and choose Copy Object URL. Then select the shape you want to add the link to. Paste the copied URL in the URL tab, and click Apply. Clicking on the hyperlink will take you to the object. Click the link icon on any shape to edit or remove the link you've attached. Thanks for watching.